Verifying software environment integrity shouldn't feel like an endless maze of manual checks and custom scripts. Previously, ensuring your systems were ready for deployment required running multiple, fragmented operations. Today, there's a faster, smarter way to get complete visibility into your environment's health. Meet VERA, Validation Environment for Readiness Assessment. VERA is a centralized command line diagnostic tool engineered to replace manual verification overhead. It automates pre- and post-installation checks, performs deep dive health screenings, and natively supports both Windows and Unix environments, all with zero complex code required. VERA instantly evaluates vital components, from CPU, RAM, and available disk space, to database configurations, Java, WebSphere Liberty versions, and OS-specific parameters like ulimit and umask. All this with a single command. Running VERA is simple. After you configured the environment for using VERA, you just have to run the VERA command, followed by the path where the report should be saved. You can also customize your diagnostic run using optional parameters. Use component to filter checks for specific modules, pass DB password to perform database verifications, or set debug to true for detailed operational logging. Upon completion, VERA generates a comprehensive report file. Analyzing the output instantly isolates environment anomalies, letting you resolve configuration gaps before deployment phases. And if an issue requires deeper investigation, simply attach the generated report directly to your technical support ticket to fast-track expert resolution. Eliminate manual testing overhead, streamline your diagnostic workflows, and deploy with confidence. Start validating your environment with VERA today.